guys, let's open the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is what it looks like. Let's open it. It also looks like a smiley face. I'm happy. Two smiley faces. Wait, isn't it coming out? Oh my god, oh my god. This is what it looks like, oh my god. So, oh my god. This looks so beautiful. See what it looks like?
Don't move.
Okay, now let's open this. Okay, this is the charger, I think. Think. Be careful. Be careful. Open this now. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, let's go grab this. Oh, this one is so cute. Come here. This is so high quality. Let's put it right here. What is it over here? There is this. And this. I don't know what is this. Let's turn on this on. If you're holding it, as you guys can see it too. Oh my god, it's open. Oh my god. You see the apple? You know who took a bite of it? I took the bite of it. It's the Apple logo. Beautiful. Why isn't it turning on? Oh my god, it turned on. It's so beautiful. Okay, now let's turn it on. Okay, the language is gonna be English. Which one's English? Okay, let's go click English. There we go. And now what is this? Okay, now let's click this one because... Okay, but of course we know that. Which one do I click? I think I'm gonna click this one. Click it. Okay. Let's go click this one. Click this one. Let's go set it for myself. Which one do we gotta click? Okay, let's don't transfer anything. Okay, let's continue. Let's click this one. No thanks, no thanks. Click this one. Okay. What's this? This one. This one. Take this one. I like the white one more. Continue. Nope. I don't want that. That should be the this one. Wow, it looks. Oh, I want to click this one. Okay, let's go see this and see how smooth it is. Oh my god, it's so smooth. It's so heck smooth. Wow. This is so smooth. Let's see how it's so heck smooth. Okay, let's go remove you to remove you. So heck smooth. Okay, let's put in this one. And what's this? What am I going to do? Let's get this apple. I'm going to go away. Which one? I don't. Let's go down over here. Okay. Oh my god, there's a pink clock. I want it. This is the apple. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. This looks so fabulous. And we also have these AirPods. We have these Apple AirPods. Oh my god, we can put stickers on it. I love stickers. We can watch movies. I don't want to. I love Vision Pro. I think. Okay, this is what is this? Wow, I feel like it looks so game. Okay, we see this. And how do I get out of here? And thanks for. Okay, let's open this LOL's soda can bottle. It's not actually a soda. It's actually not a Barbie doll. It just has paper in it and 3 toys in it. Okay, when I open it, we can open it from this part, but it's open. I'm just going to rip off. I did it. Oh, we did this all for nothing. We just did this for paper. It's scented. It smells like strawberries. The paper was scented. Let's close it up. There we go. Now let's open it up. Yeah, I'm using this for all my strength, yes. So beautiful. Okay. Eat the first toy. The first toy is this. Oh, it's like teaching of a star. Let's put it right here. The next thing is get this motion paper. Let's get it. I see something get out. It's a unicorn. I got a unicorn. That you put this on your pen because this is why it had a belly. There's the last thing I need to get it out. Get it out. Oh, we got this. Okay, now there was just 3 of toys inside. And there's just more paper inside. There's just more paper inside of this. Let's put it all back. And let's put all of the toys back in. Okay, now let's also put the star in here. Shove it in. Just shove it in. Okay, let's close this up. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Let me just drink my cola. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.